Neither me nor you. There are so many people who have fear of English speaking, who are just thinking about people judgment, who are just thinking about their broken English. What if I make any mistake? What if somebody pass a comment? So what? Are you not going to learn this language? Are you not going to learn a new skill? Hmm? It is a question. Just ask to yourself. So hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rihanna and you are watching my YouTube channel Live Jamela with Rihanna. And today we are going to discuss a trending Jamela, which is, yes, English. Okay, so I just want to tell you, I am from UP. I live in a village. Yes, I belongs to a farmer family. And of course, my local language is, it's a mixture of Bhojpuri and Hindi. Now you can understand how much it was difficult for me, right? But I made it. I did. I did it. क्योंकि मुझे करना था. Now I am very much comfortable with this language. I'm not saying that I am a pro level speaker, I am a fluent speaker, but yes, Alhamdulillah, I am very much comfortable with this language because I can compare myself before and after. That's why I'm telling you. I just want to say, determine towards your goal. Let the people judge you. Don't think about their judgment. Just kill them by your aura. Just do whatever you want to learn. Just speak. Speak alone. Speak while recording. Speak when you are alone at home. Speak when you are in bathroom. Just speak. Just speak. I'm telling you, without speaking, you can't be a fluent speaker. And it's 100 or 1000% true that practice makes men perfect. Yes. Until unless you can't be a fluent speaker, you have to speak, right? Yeah. When I start this journey, people laugh at me. So what? मुझे नहीं सीखना चाहिए था या मुझे रुक जाना चाहिए था? No, I am very, very, very passionate about this language. Actually, I am fall in love with this language. I don't know how and why, but yes, I am obsessed with this language. And if you are obsessed with something, nobody can stop you. Nothing can be stop you. Nothing can be stop you. Are you getting my point? If you are that person, देखा देखी वो सीख रही है, वो सीख रहा है तो मुझे भी सीखना चाहिए, then ना be happen. No. But if you are curious about this language, if you really want to learn this language, then yes, you can do it. I'm telling you, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. See, we all are human beings. If there is something which all humans can do, so why we not? हम भी कर सकते हैं. करने पर उतर जाएं तो कर सकते हैं. Let's come back to the story. So it was very hard for me because I studied from Hindi medium school and college. And my local language, it's a mixture of Bhojpuri and Hindi. Hey, kahan ja the, like this. So even I was not able to make sentences. Yes, I love this language since childhood, but आता नहीं था, like क्या करें. Anyway, so after completing my graduation, because it was lockdown, I started to research job which I can do from home. Literally everywhere required English language, जो कि मुझे नहीं आता था. And then I thought, let's learn this language. It's necessary. Doesn't matter you just stay at home. It doesn't matter who you are. Are you working? Are you studying? Or just you are a homemaker? You have to learn. You have to learn for your kids. So I started learning this language. So my first step was grammar. I started learning grammar. At least basic grammar you should know. This is the first step you can make sentences. So you have to at least learn basic grammar. You have to know about basic grammar. So because of no friend, no environment, no money, so the progress was very slow. And now I just want to say, recording करने के टाइम पे बहुत बेकार सा निकल रहा है मेरा इंग्लिश. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not comfortable with this, but I will. And second step was phrases, vocab, and idioms. Yeah, these three things you really need to know. That's how your English should be like. English तो आ गया है थोड़ा थोड़ा. Okay. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, मेरा जो इंग्लिश का भूत था जैसे सर करके चढ़ता था और सर करके नीचे आ जाता था. बट I didn't see day, night, or time when my both on the peak. I just grabbed my notebook and pen and start learning. You won't believe. Sometime the time was like 2 a.m. Can you imagine? Literally, I remember that time. Yes, the journey was hard, but I every time consume English content. Every time. And my notebook and pen literally just side my bed, side my table, side my head. मैं बस अपने साथ में लेके सोती थी. रात में उठती थी कभी भी लगता था कि अरे कुछ तो सीखना है, बैठ जाती थी लेके. आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू कांट बिलीव, बट इट इज ट्रू. दैट्स हाउ आई डिड इट. Start consuming English content. Whatever you watch, just watch in English. I was watching English podcast, English movies, English cartoons, English uh, like blogs. Whatever I watch, everything was just in English. Still, if you see my YouTube, you can sense सारा कुछ इंग्लिश में ही होता है. And bad thing was about me. When I started learning, I just stay at home. I was not going to school or college. So I think that's why my progress was slow. But it's okay. I will do, and you can also do, and we both can do. But I believe on my hard work. I believe on myself. I believe on my universe. Yes, I can do, and I will do, and you can also do. And हम साथ में करेंगे. Don't worry.